Hey guys, it's Rockefeller and Happy New Year! Because it's 2023, I wanted to set some new goals and my first was creating a full Steam release game. I'm calling the game Crypt of Cards. It'll be a roguelike set in a dungeon, but the dungeon will be represented by a hex grid and you need to find a key to the door for your escape. There'll be enemies such as spirits, goblins, skeletons and dragons. The game will be different from most because it will be a card game. The map will show the player's progression through the dungeons, as well as allowing them to return home where they can equip new cards, and the shop where they can buy packs. The dungeons will become more difficult as there will be more tiles to explore and greater enemies, but the loot will also improve. Here you can see how the home tile will connect to the shop and the dungeons too. In the dungeon, a tile could be empty, have an ambush of enemies, contain the key, door or a chest. Moving through the tiles will cost fatigue points, which can be regained by sleeping, but during sleep the enemies also replenish. Now for the cards. There will be either item cards such as armour, weapons and rings. Rings are magic items that will give the player a buff dependent on its colour, or cards could be actions used in the combat phase. Here you can see how I want even the main menu to involve cards by allowing the user to play one into the centre, which will then carry out that action. With everything planned, it was time to, you've guessed it, do some more planning. This devlog shows my progress of day 1 and 2. I start off with my trusty Trello list. I got up early to start this and oh my god, it's already nearly 10. Design cards. Work in menu. Level select. Home tile. Shop tile. Character slots. Deck builder. Packs. Dungeon level. Dungeon generator. Health, fatigue and ending the day. Enemy tiles. Exit tile. Fight level. Enemies. Load hand. Audio. Banner. Screenshots. Trailer. So yeah, not too much to do. I create a new Unity project and hope I don't lose much more time. As soon as the project is open, I create a few basic scripts and import some placeholder card images. I open the card scripts and start working on being able to drag them, which is what I want for the main menu. I'll admit this was a bit of a googly, but it works! Wait, never mind, it didn't, but now it does. Here you can see the dragging cards and the place in which they will be played. With that done, I thought I deserved a coffee break. You can never have too much coffee, and after that it'll be time for a workout and some lunch. With the coffee brewing, I'm thinking about a way to register which card has been used, and decided to use the game object name. Here you can see each card changing the level, and the quit card would quit, but because we're in the editor, it just outputs the string quitting. That's the end of day 1, and on to day 2. I start even later. Whoops. Look at that, I'm commenting my code. Now that's a rare sight. I spend a bit of time on the dungeon generator script, which will be the core of the game. It generates random hex tiles which all connect until there are the required amount. I had to use some big brain maths to find out where the 6 surrounding hexagons can be from the starting position. Here you can see the random dungeons. Today I also created a save data, save file, audio manager and sound script, so we have save files and sounds working but not yet implemented. And here's what we have after 2 days. You can drag the play and options card to change the level, the quit card to quit, the play menu lets you choose a save file using the same method, and then after that you can see the randomly generated dungeons. On my Trello list, I tick off the menu, dungeon generator, audio manager and save files, and the next thing I want to work on is the level select screen that will be shown after the user selects a save file. Again, you can see my latest games on my website, rockefellerdev.co.uk. Also, on my Patreon you can support me to receive bonus content and early releases. Thank you all for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if you did, and I'll see you all in the next one.